Hello everyone. Do you know why the radish and egg soup made by people from Guangdong tastes so good? Actually, there are some tricks to it. Today, I'm going to share with you a recipe for a nutritious soup. The color of the soup is as white as milk. It's rich in nutrients and it's deliciously fragrant and tasty. The method is especially simple. In the autumn and winter seasons, you definitely have to try this nutritious soup. First, we prepare a white radish and peel off the skin. As the old saying goes, eat radish in winter and ginger in summer. In the autumn and winter seasons, you should eat more white radish as it has countless benefits for your health. After peeling, cut the radish into thin slices. You can cut the slices a bit thicker so they won't easily break apart when cooked. Then cut the radish slices into thick, coarse shreds. After cutting, place them in a bowl for later use. Prepare 2 scallions and chop them into small pieces. Once chopped, put them on a plate for later use. Prepare an appropriate amount of sun-dried shrimp, which will enhance the flavor and add calcium. Next, prepare 4 authentic hen eggs for later use. Soak a small amount of goji berries in clean water ahead of time to let them rehydrate. Next, heat the pan until it starts to smoke. Then add an appropriate amount of oil to coat the pan. Make sure to oil all sides of the pan. This way, when we fry or wrap eggs, or fry fish or tofu, they won't stick. Once the oil is slightly smoking, pour it out. Add a little more oil to the pan. Crack an egg into the pan, then turn the heat to low and slowly fry it. Cook the egg until it sets. Be sure not to use high heat, as too much heat will burn the egg. Once the egg has set, gently shake the pan to ensure the egg heats more evenly. As you can see, when we fry the egg in a pan that has been coated with oil, it doesn't stick at all. Once one side of the egg is golden brown, flip it over and fry the other side until it's golden as well. You can cook the egg a bit longer so that when we make the soup later, it will turn milky white. Once it looks like this, it's ready. Take it out and set it aside. Next, put the fried egg into a clay pot. Then add boiling water. The amount of water depends on how many people you're serving. Remember, you must use boiling water. Only with boiling water will the soup turn milky white. Next, cover with a lid and bring it to a boil over high heat. Then cook for 5 minutes. This allows the egg to fully release its aroma and the soup to turn white. When the time is up, open the lid and take a look. The soup is already milky white at this point. Now add the shredded radish. Add the dried shrimp as well. Stir everything evenly with chopsticks. Cover with the lid and cook for about another 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, start seasoning by adding a spoonful of salt. Add an appropriate amount of white pepper to remove any fishy taste. Stir well. There's no need to add chicken bouillon or MSG, otherwise it will overpower the natural freshness of the soup. Add the soaked goji berries. Then sprinkle in some chopped green onions. At this point, you can turn off the heat. A delicious shredded radish and egg soup is now ready. The soup is milky white, just like milk, and tastes fresh and delicious. It's also very nutritious. The method is simple, and shredded radish is added to it. Drinking more of it can also help with digestion. It's fresh, fragrant, and tasty, and even if you drink a lot, it won't cause internal heat. If you like my video, remember to like, comment, and share it. Thank you for your support.